Well, I think career-wise, it's given me credibility within my office to let them know that I'm following through and doing the best for our organization with the money that we have, rather than paying a consultant to make the changes to our software. So when you look at a large accounting software program and think, wow, is anybody going to listen to me or want to make any changes that I suggest? Initially I would think no. But because I'm a part of the user group and I get to give input to the developers, a lot of times I find that some of the enhancements that we need are the same thing that large companies need, and by putting my voice out there, we have a better chance of seeing it in a future release. So it's been great for us.
The user group has been a tremendous resource for our company. We consider it just a resource, just like support. With the user group, I found that just almost immediately I could put a question up on the message board and have answers start showing up within minutes.
It's always funny when we have an issue or a problem and I can go and tap into my resources, meaning the user group resources, come up with a solution and come back to my supervisor and say, hey, you know, problem's been resolved, right? And then they don't know where I got the answer from, but I would say at least 70% of the time it's come from another user from the EUG.
Well, I'm also considered kind of the go-to person in my company as far as the Epicor product goes. If there's a problem that people are having with any kind of glitch, with anything, they come to me, and I think, well, it's increased my value in the company, and I also like helping people with their usage, make their jobs easier. So that's the whole idea behind the supply chain management, is to, if it's working right, everybody has an easy job.
And by becoming a member of the user group and getting to know other people and what modules they were using, I was able to email them, call them, contact them, and they gave us good information. And what seemed like such a complicated system when we first started became very easy.
It's always great when somebody that understands the product, not from a sales standpoint, but from a user aspect, can help solve a problem for you, or you can return the favor by solving a problem for somebody else. It may be something that we've come across that somebody else in the EUG didn't know about, and because of that networking and the website that's out there and the user group meetings, that information comes out, it's presented, and you may come up have a solution to an issue that may be small for you, but may be a big deal for somebody else.
I heard about the user group and then just started going to some meetings and meeting people, connecting with people, and found it very helpful as far as learning new things from people, bouncing ideas off of them, finding out how they use the system, and I just found it very, very helpful.
The user group makes me look good. The user group lets me be the star when I come up with a solution to a problem that I had no idea going in how you would do something like that.